the waves keep crashing in. Light the fire that you breathe in.
I do that to make sure I know where my sound starts. Like on a big movie production when they have like the cue card and it goes action, that kind of thing. Hey, what's going on? So been a little while since I've done one of these face-to-face types of things. Weekend, Jamie went out of town. I had Saturday, yesterday, kind of just a goof off day, did a bunch of stuff around the house, cleaned up. Then today was a little more fun. I really had like the drive to go out and make something. So I filmed that little opening you just saw in Upper Park with the dog this morning. And then I'm actually heading to a Chico stage race here in a little while. The stage race is a road bicycling event that comes to Chico every year. And one of the local bike shops, Green Lion Cycles, is putting on a little like block party type thing to benefit the children and stuff like that. So gonna go do that here in a little while, maybe film some of that, check out the race, maybe even get some pictures. I don't know, we'll see what happens.
Tethered from the sand, we sailed away. We sailed along the shore, head up to the east and sail away. We sailed along the shore, get her from her hand, crossings on my heart, waitlist to the government's law. You see, it's been done to me, my dear. Not a know to speak, silence in the rain, just surrounding me. You were there since you know me. Every now and then I slip away.
Focus. Alright, so yeah, that was today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. I know that was it was a lot of fun filming those guys. I took a bunch of pictures. Go check out my Instagram, link down below. Have some pictures on there of today. So it was fun, it was entertaining. I think the race went pretty cool, or races, there was a ton of them. And the block party thing at Green Line Cycles was badass. They had that like circle thing with the bikes right around, and there were some good crashes. And people were having fun, drank a few beers, had a hot dog, had some fun, relaxed, let my hair down a little. Yeah, so it was definitely an entertaining day. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you guys tomorrow, because I think that's just what I'm going to do from here on out. Is tomorrow's going to be Monday, this is going to be up tomorrow, which is Monday. And then, so we'll see you on Tuesday morning. How about that? See you tomorrow, Tuesday. Yeah, I'm going to start thinking in the future of that now. Tomorrow is Tuesday, even though today is Sunday and tomorrow is actually Monday. But in this world, tomorrow is Tuesday and today is Monday that you're watching this video. Wrap your mind around that right now. See you tomorrow.
Hey, what do you know, huh? Not a goddamn thing. What if you got planned? Not a goddamn thing. Where will you go, huh? When the wall collapses and the fire burns and the world unravels, woo! They gave you idols, love, they gave you idols and told you to close your eyes, They gave you rifles, son, they gave you rifles and told you to close your eyes, whoa. And now you parachute with your books and your arms and your parachutes, and the lies that they tell that they prostitute, and you bias truth to the lies you, whoa. But they just want love, they just want love.